Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson Stylus SX425W. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself. And if you've got a print quality issue or like fuzzy looking prints or weird lines that the cleans and nozzle check patterns that we did in our previous videos haven't helped, I'd certainly recommend giving this a go. It's a little bit more involved, but again, can be done from the printer itself. So to get started, we need to go into setup, which we do by pressing this button here. And once we're in setup, we press right once, twice, until head alignment is shown on the screen. With that there, we then press the start button. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And you will eventually be presented with a page like this, like a whole series of blocks and numbers of varying quality. Now what we're doing is looking at these blocks and looking for the one that has the best quality result. As you can see, the more extreme blocks have little lines running vertically through them, indicating like a slight kind of misalignment in that position. So on this one, I think 3 and 4 are our best results. In fact, I would just give it to 3. So if we go back to the screen, it's asking you for the best result in the first, second, third, and fourth position is, which again, you can see indicated on the page. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for number 1, I'm going to change it to 3. That now says 3. For number 2, I would say it's 3 as well. The color blocks are slightly different, as you can see here. But I'm going to say position 3 and 4 are the best on this page. And when you're happy with the answers you've given, just press that start button again, and you're done. Now I'd recommend checking to see if that alignment has improved your quality of prints. Just print off another page or whatever you were printing when you noticed the issue, and hopefully you'll see an improvement. As mentioned previously, we do have videos for cleaning cycles and test pages. If you're still struggling along with a print quality issue, it might be worthwhile checking those out as well. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please do drop us a like if it's helped. Let us know in a comment if there's anything else you'd like to know. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.